The hidden cost of being a hard worker and how I finally stopped paying it. They told us that working hard was the key to success. But what if that advice has kept millions of families trapped for generations? Hi, for those that don't know me, I'm Holly. I believed in hard work my entire life. Double shifts, no vacations, doing everything by the book. But I realized something painful. I wasn't building wealth. I was building wear out. Ugh. For starters, work without directions will bring burnout. You can't outgrind a broken system. Next, busy isn't the same as productive. If it doesn't create peace or profit, it's a distraction. And third, smart beats strong. The moment you learn to automate or outsource, you're no longer trading your body for your bills. When I shifted from overworking to building an automated income blueprint, I found something I'd never had before: balance. And ironically, that's when I started seeing results that no 60-hour work week ever gave me. If you've ever done everything right and still felt behind, you'll connect deeply with this one. Watch the trap of doing everything right, but still feeling stuck. The link is right below. Do you think we were ever meant to work this hard for this little piece? Comment below. Rest is not a reward for success. It's a requirement for clarity. Follow and subscribe for more tips on how to build a healthier and safer and better productive life for you and your family.